Hi, I am Nikhil. Today's tutorial about custom exception. What is a custom exception? In Java, user can create their own exception types to handle specified situation in the program. This is known as a custom exception. Creating a custom exception in Java is very easy. Just to create a class that extends runtime exception or exception. By extending an exception class, the message present in the throwable class can directly override into our subclass. Using those methods, we can develop our own exceptions. Let's take class these methods of throwable. The method fill-in-stack-trace method returns a throwable object that contains a complete stack trace. Next, getMessage method returns a complete description of the exception. Last method, print-stack-trace method is used to send stack trace to the specified writer. Here is the general form of custom exception. Here is custom exception name of the class name and code is contains one is printed as an output. Let's do work on example of custom exception. Here is in program our one creator class exceptions extend class exception and one create a constructor and it contain one integer parameter. Then the method toString used to convert integer variable a to string d. When in class w custom exception to method check throws custom exception using print method. Using if the condition to check the value of up to 8 loop and throw new custom exception. When in main method we passing value of 5 and 12. To method check if parameter value of check is greater than 8 when loop exists normally. So print normal exists if the value is more than 8 to exist using custom exception. Let's to compile and run the program to check final output. This is the final output. Here first parameter value is 5 is print normal exists, but second parameter value is 12 curved exception like this. Thank you.